Alright, hey guys, here is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Builder's Best with the bleached oak side. Oh, bump my camera. Set my camera. Here's it is, bleached oak blades. As you can tell, that's bleached oak side. Don't know, it's that, anyways, put one of the knobs on it to make it look nice looking. One of the knobs, just the heck of it. Yeah, let's make it look like a traditional builder fan. So yeah, so let's start on low. Yeah, so, I heard that one of the blades has worked. Same with like the Hunter original. I found out one of the blades has worked. Slow speed. I should close up on low. It's kind of gonna give me my new thing. Close up on low speed. It's also our friend where my mom helps out. She has one of these fans, but in satin nickel. No, it's actually pewter. And there's also a Mexican South American restaurant in Florida that has two of these, and also in pewter. But the one of my mom's helper's house is white, has white blades, and the other couldn't remember the size. So let's shake up the medium. Starting to wobble a bit because I don't have all the screws to it. Must have lost in some of the screws. If I find some screws similar to that with the ceiling fan mounting screws, then that can keep it from wobbling. This is medium. Wobbles a little more with the bleached oak because one of the blades is probably warped. So let's take it high. Now I'm not going to show high for a little bit because I want this fan to fall and wobble as hell. See, it's wobbling even more with the bleached oak. Now let's do an airflow test. I believe it's a spinner motor, because it's a spinner motor fan. I want to be careful because I don't want the blades to get split or something when it falls. It can kill me. Let's just spin down with the bleached oak. And I'm going to reverse it and do reverse. There's my old friend. I remember him. He's in Baltimore, Maryland, named Jason. And his old house has like tons of these. A couple of them they were just polished brass builder. Just polished brass. Couldn't remember what they were. Could be craft made maybe. But the rest of them were these. That's definitely becoming a childhood fan. But I don't like the Classic 2. I just like this one a lot better than the Classic 2. Still going. also, still looking, another Hampton Bay childhood fan is a Hampton Bay Quick Connect. I know Jack Carson 7 has a Hampton Bay Quick Connect in Posh Press. This thing takes a long spin out time, good God. I don't know if my phone's gonna run out of memory or not. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Believe me, this fan takes a long spin down time. It's for like heavy spinner motor fans. Like cast spinner motor fans take a long spin down time, but not my original sometimes does. The newer original does, not the older one. Which fan should I test next? Well, I'll see if the Coastal Breeze is available, if it can fit. But if not, I can't test the Hawkins, because Hawkins is a junk. No good. It's getting close to stopping. I gotta keep an eye on it. Don't stop. So it's the reverse. Low reverse. And one time I couldn't reach the fans because I wasn't that tall yet. I just had to jump up there and I accidentally broke one of the chains off. Broke the chain off. And I was stuck on high. That's low reverse. I'm going to take it back up to medium. At my mom's helper's house just runs on reverse. I don't know why it does, but they should put it on forward in the summer. I think high's going to wobble a little more in reverse. Hold it still. I don't want this thing to wobble as hell. So yeah, that is it. Bleached oak side, Harbor Breeze Builder's Best. Thanks for watching.